Hi there, this is Brian Besco with Twisted Sage Studios. So we are doing a huge factory reset here at Twisted Sage. We are going to be consolidating our buildings, the studio and the shop. So with that said, we have a lot of things that we need to clear out of the studio, including the ascension chambers. So we do have some ascension chambers, pyramids, some really phenomenal tools that we will be adding to this collection page. So we have a personal collections that we have refurbished, cleaned up, and they are now available to you. So please do check out our huge clearance that we have going on now and all the personal tools that the Twisted Sage family has used throughout the years. We are now offering them at deeply discounted prices. All right, much love. Thank you all for your support.